welcome to my channel. This is Chetal. I make videos on makeup, skincare, vlogs, hauls and lifestyle. So today's video is all about Colaba Causeway haul. So recently visited Mumbai and had a chance to go to Colaba, and it's my first visit to Colaba and I'm so excited and I shopped a lot. So to know what I got from Colaba, just continue watching. Okay, in this haul, you can see lots and lots of handbags because I shopped so many handbags from Colaba. In my personal opinion, they have some good collections of handbag with latest trending collections with good price and good quality. Okay, let's start with sling bags. So the first sling bag which I love the most, which had so many patterns to choose from, it's a box type sling bag, steady box type sling bag. Okay, it closes like this. It closes like this. You can carry. You have a sling attached if you want. You can remove it. It has one big compartment. It's very good quality. I don't remember the exact price. I will just give it in the description for how much I got all these. But you need to bargain a lot there. I went with my sister, so she was good at bargaining. She got me there in that good deal. If I go alone, I don't think so. I would have got that in that deal. So thank you. Sling bag, which is a basic black sling bag, which we all need. I'll show you. It's quite new. I didn't open yet. Okay, this is the black sling bag, basic black sling bag, which you can carry with every outfit. It has this beautiful, I just got this because of this beautiful strap. I love this strap, and they have some accessories going on. I think you can even remove this, like it's detachable. You can remove this too. It is detachable. This is also detachable. It is your choice, like how you want to carry your bag. And has two compartments, 1 and 2. It is in very good quality. It doesn't feel cheap. You can see, right? It's so good and I love it. Okay, moving on to the third bag. I see many fashion YouTubers and influencers using these bags and posing for Instagram photos. I thought, why not try it? As I got it for very low price, for like 300. This is this bag. This is this black beauty here. This is the black bag. I don't know what this bag is called, but I think it's look so cute. This is not detachable. This is attached. You can detach this. It's in very good quality. You can see it has one zip. Very good quality, I must say. Okay, so this is the backpack which I got from Colaba. It is so huge and plain, classic. It has 1, 2 and 3 zips, and the space is huge, guys. I'll open and show you. The first compartment, it opens like this. It has small pockets for holding small stuffs, and it has pockets here also. And let's open the second compartment. Even this has a small zip pack, like zip pocket, and here also you have a small zip packet and a lot of space. And here also you can open to keep your stuffs. I think it's worth your money. It's quite steady. It's quite steady. So this is my fourth bag. So moving on to this next bag, you will find these bags in various patterns and designs. It is this huge tote bag. Yes, you will find this in various colors, designs. It will be very beautiful to carry with Indian outfits, or it will even fit your laptop in. And I feel like it's quite useful when you're traveling or going to office, etc. It has 2 zip compartments, 1 and 2. It's quite huge. I'll open both for you. Okay, this is the space you get. I think it's quite huge, and you get a zip here. And this is the So moving on to the final bag. Yes, final bag, guys. So it's this huge tote bag. I'll open and show you. This is huge white crocodile print tote bag. You can see the pattern, right? So it has some beautiful pattern going on. The whole bag. I think it's very useful while you're traveling for a 1 day or 2 day. You can fit so many outfits and all things inside it. It's quite huge, and the straps are quite strong, sturdy. And this is not. It has it has zip lock. Many of the tote bags, like huge tote bags, don't come with zips, and I'm quite glad that it comes with zip. You can carry like this, or you can just fold it this and carry it like this too. You can just fold it like this and carry it like this. If you want to carry more, you can extend it. And it's not one, it's 3-in-1 bag. Open, is so huge. It's so huge, and even it comes with, it's a 3-in-1 bag. It comes with a small pouch, the same similar pattern pouch. Even this comes with another pouch. Let me show you. It comes with another pouch. Like you can carry your toiletries and etc stuffs. You can carry your small stuffs inside. Even it has a sling attached to it. If you want, you can attach a sling to carry it as such. You can carry, but this is a purse. You have to carry it like this. You can attach a sling to carry it as such. I think it's quite good deal. I got it for a very good deal, like for 700 or 800. I don't remember, but it's quite good quality. Finally the bags have come to an end. I hope you like the bag. Now to Colaba, I don't you can find these, but in different pattern. The collection keeps on updating, upgrading. You cannot find the same item, but you can find a similar item if you go to Colaba now. I can't guarantee you will get these as such. So moving on, there are some huge varieties of specs you can choose from. It is a very good quality and quite affordable rate with trendy collections. I got two, my sister got two, so I will show you what I got. This comes with a pouch, and this is a cute cat eye glasses. I got for 200, and another one I got I think I got this because the color of the shade is quite unique, and it's a box type. This is the first, the second. So moving on the clothes, if you enter the market, this is the first shop which has so many denims. I got 2 denims from that shop. First one is this denim. Denim, like jogger kind of denim, jogger kind of jean, which has elastic at the bottom and elastic at the top. It's quite comfortable. It has pockets. It has Dora here. I think it looks so cool. Oh, I got this for 500. I think it's not like its quality is quite okay, but for 500 it's quite good. It's worth it. This denim jacket, which in this color, which is also for 500. It has some. This is the pattern, the back side. It's quite good quality, and I love it. The denims were quite good there. If you want to buy some affordable denims, you can buy there. It's quite good, and they have some good collections. And the last thing I got was a dress. It's a quite cool dress. Okay, this dress. I got this cute dress which has ruffles at the collar and a tie. It is quite cute. it has a bubble sleeve. That's all for today's haul. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment which one you love the most, and share your experience in Colaba and what are the stuffs good there, as I was a newbie there. I don't know what are stuffs to get. I just got what I loved. So if you like my video, if you want more hauls and more videos, just consider subscribing my channel. Like this video, share with your friends who wants to go to Colaba, and until then, bye from Jetal. Bye.